Today, I am going to be reviewing the Frigidaire Retro Mini Fridge. I don't write negative reviews too often, but this is a very genuine and honest review of this Frigidaire mini fridge. Unfortunately, we have found that it does not keep cold drinks cold, and that the only good use out of the Frigidaire is for white noise. So we keep it in the bedroom and we have it for white noise to help my boyfriend sleep. I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to show you what it sounds like when it's on. So obviously this is a very calming noise to have when sleeping. Um, this is a 4-liter container, and they do advertise that you can put in 6 cans in here. It seems a bit small for 6 cans, but that is what they advertise nonetheless. Overall, super happy with the product as a noise machine. Not too happy with the product for actually keeping drinks cold.